What's going on, guys? Kevin Reese here. Today I'm going to bring y'all a little unboxing and try on of these RayBan Wayfarer sunglasses. So guys, if you know sunglasses and if you've seen sunglasses, you know about the Wayfarers. These are a popular, iconic style of sunglasses that have been around for years and years. I just picked up a pair online. These are the Wayfarer 2s, numbers on the back. So we're going to go ahead and open these up, guys. They open down here from the end. So they come in this case, and I want to kind of tell you guys, now I got these online. So you see right here on my phone, guys, I picked these up. RayBan RB2132 new Wayfarer sunglasses. So I got them on eBay, $66.99. Authentic RayBans, free shipping. This is from a top seller. The reason I mentioned that, guys, is like I said, I got these on eBay. I got a pair of these, tried them on, wore them for a while, but I took them back, and I got them from the Sunglass Hut. And I want to tell you guys about the Sunglass Hut and my experience. So these sunglasses in the Sunglass Hut, polarized. I'm not sure if these are polarized or not. But they were $200, and $200 versus $66, and like I said, eBay. I got them from a top-rated seller, so it didn't look like anything was, kind of fishy going on. Luxottica Group, they look legit. We're gonna open them up and check them out, guys. So here, opening the case. And another thing about Sunglass Hut, guys, is they give you the sunglasses right off the shelf. You get no kind of case, no carrying case. No information, no documentation on them or anything. You get nothing but the sunglasses. That's it. I don't really like that. I like, if I'm buying something, I want it to be in a package where nobody has opened it or messed with it. It could be something that somebody took back and they just cleaned them up and they're reselling them for $200. I just don't like that. I don't like the way they do business, but so I took them back. Anyway, guys, felt lined inside this case, very nice. So if you open these up, you can see the rest of the inside of your case. There's actually an area in there where it catches the bridge, like the bridge of the nose right here on the sunglasses. Nice case, guys, very nice carrying case. So we'll set that to the side. Like I said, here you have paperwork. This new, you have a little carrying case and cleaning cloth. This new. And the sunglasses are brand new, guys. Check them out. And so there's two different sizes, like maybe a 50 millimeter or 52 millimeter, 55 millimeter. Don't quote me on that, but I tried these. These are the bigger ones, and I'll go ahead and show y'all what they look like. You can see here you've got, it says G15 lens, 100% UV protection sunglasses. So one thing I noticed on the other ones that I don't see on here is there was, and I think it had something to do with the polarization, but there was kind of a ring that you could see if you look through them. And I'm not seeing that on these. But honestly, guys, for the price, $66, they look darn good. So if you just see the side, you check the side of them out. Here's the other side. You have your RayBan on both sides. You have your RayBan logo on the side of the frame. You also have RayBan right on the glass right there. You can see that. So nice looking shades, guys. I mean, open and close fine, brand new. If I take these, like I said, they come here with your paperwork. So here you have inside, like I said, a little cleaning cloth with the RayBan logo on it, something you don't get if you buy them somewhere else. You have your paperwork here. So pretty good deal, guys. We'll go ahead and take this sticker off here on the front. And guys, they seem to be pretty decent quality. They definitely look the part. They sure come with a lot of stuff to be fake if they are fake. I don't think they're fake, but we'll try them on. So the looking through them feels the same as the other ones did. Like I said, turn to the side. This kind of a look side. So pretty cool shades, guys. I like them. I'll wear them for that price. You know, I mean, that's a great price versus what you're getting. Like I said, and you know, not to down Sunglass Hut, but you know, for me, I didn't think that was cool, guys, to pay $200 for sunglasses that were used versus paying, you know, $66 for, you know, some that are brand new, that you get a carrying case, you get, you know, they come in a case sealed, you know, never been worn before. So, you know, I personally like that aspect of the whole deal. But anyway, guys, these are the sunglasses. Like I said, everything looks good through the lens. You see it does have that RayBan logo at the top. So, to me, they appear real. I guess time will tell how they hold up. But anyway, guys, these are the sunglasses. As always, I'm Kevin Reese. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.